My dear friend, this is your Krishna. I see you there, paralyzed by the enormity of your dreams. You carry such beautiful visions within you. Perhaps you are a student with a brilliant idea that could change everything, or you're building a business that could transform lives, or maybe you are an artist with a masterpiece waiting to emerge. Your heart burns with purpose, yet your hands remain still. You tell yourself, tomorrow I'll begin with full force. Tomorrow I will work for 10 hours straight. Tomorrow I'll be unstoppable. But here lies the beautiful paradox I want to share with you. You expect that great achievements require great beginnings. You believe that to write a book, you must sit down for hours. To build a business, you must have a perfect plan. To change your life, you must make dramatic gestures. But the truth is opposite. The mightiest river begins as tiny droplets. The strongest trees grow from the smallest seeds. And your greatest victories, they will come not from your grandest efforts, but from your smallest, most consistent steps. When you stare at that blank page for hours, expecting words to flow like a waterfall, instead, write just one sentence. Not a perfect sentence, just one sentence. When you dream of launching your business but feel overwhelmed by all the planning, instead, make one phone call, just one email, research one competitor. When you want to get fit but think you need to exercise for an hour every day, instead, do 10 push ups. Walk to the end of your street, stretch for 5 minutes. When you desire to learn something new, but the entire subject feels impossible, instead read one paragraph, watch one tutorial, practice one small skill. Here is what your mind doesn't expect. Action creates motivation, not that the other way around. You wait for inspiration to strike like lightning, but inspiration is always born from movement. The moment you take that tiny step, even when you don't feel like it, you waken a sleeping giant within you. Your confidence stirs, energy begins to flow. What seems impossible suddenly feels possible. Right now, think of one thing you have been avoiding, not the biggest project of your life. Just one thing that's been nagging at you. If it's calling someone back, don't plan the entire conversation. Just dial the number. If it's clearing your space, don't reorganize your entire life. Just clear one small area. If it's starting that creative project, don't envision the masterpiece. Just gather your materials. If it's improving your health, don't plan a complete lifestyle change. Just drink one extra glass of water. Each time you choose action over hesitation, you don't just complete a task, you strengthen your soul. You prove to yourself that you are someone who follows through. You build what the wise call discipline, the sacred ability to do what needs doing. My dear, this is not about perfection. This is about momentum. This is about becoming intimate with the power that lies dormant within you, waiting to be awakened by the gentlest touch of consistent action. The mountain that seems impossible to climb, it's conquered one step at a time. The dream that feels so distant, it's reached one day at a time. The person you long to become, they emerge one choice at a time. Start small today. Start so small that it almost feels silly. And watch as the universe conspires to support your courage. Your dearest friend, Krishna. Modern AI Mystic is hosting the Mystic Circle, a space for curious, conscious minds to discuss how the Gita's timeless wisdom applies to modern life, career, relationship, mental health, and more. This will be a free roundtable discussion to discuss Gita for modern life. Want to be a part of it? Comment the Mystic Circle. Check the description and pinned comment to apply. Stay connected through the Mystic Letter and our WhatsApp community. All links in the description and pinned comment. Like, share, and drop your reflections below, or just type the Mystic Circle to join deeper conversations. Your voice, your energy, your presence, it all matters here. Let's grow together, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Subscribe for more Gita wisdom. Radhe Krishna, and take care.